To start removing our tail lamp, what we need to do is access the inside of the trunk. After that, we're going to come right over here and we're going to lift up on this, and then I just hang it right like that. Let's continue on by removing this trim panel along here. You're going to find some push tabs, just carefully try to get underneath them and then pry them away. And of course, it'll be the same on the other side. Once all the push tabs are out of there, let's continue on by carefully grabbing onto this. We're going to gently lift it up, being careful not to damage the plastic itself. Remove this from your trunk. Grab onto that carpet, slide it out of the way, and then we'll continue on by disconnecting our wiring. Squeeze the little tab right where my thumb is and remove it. Once it's removed, inspect it for corrosion. This one looks good, I'll set it aside. Now we're going to follow these wires right here, disconnect that as well. Inspect it, set it aside, and then our last connector. Now you're going to find 3 studs that come through here. There's one right there, one over on the other side, and then one up top. Remove all 3 of those nuts. Let's get this out of the way. Give this a wiggle, remove it from the body of the car. Now we're going to remove the bulb sockets from the back of our old lamp assembly. Go ahead and inspect the bulb, make sure it looks like it's in good condition, and then we're going to insert it into the new lamp assembly. Turn that clockwise till it's locked in, and do the same to the other one. So insert this into the lamp assembly. And now we can get ready to install this in the vehicle. Now as we start inserting our lens, we want to of course be very careful for our studs and make sure they line up with their corresponding holes. Also, as I line it up, I want to make sure that I grab this little rubber flap, and I'm going to make sure it comes up and over this area here. Coming from the inside, let's go ahead and mount all of our mounting nuts. Snug them up. Resecure this wire. Connect in all of your wiring. Listen for a click, give it a tug. Once everything's secure, let's go ahead and put this back together. Now we're going to reinstall our trim piece. Pay attention to your locking clips right along here. They need to line up with their corresponding holes on the body of the vehicle itself. Put this in here. Once it looks like everything's lined up down the line, give it a couple loving bonks. Insert all of your push clips. Once you have it completely installed, go ahead and make sure it works properly, and then close your trunk.